Welcome to 3085 South Creek Pointe Lane, an exquisite single-level residence located behind the gate in Eagle's exclusive Lakemore community. Come on in, let's take a look. As if pulled from the pages of a magazine, the home is simply stunning, featuring gorgeous trim work, rich hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling windows, and elegant fixtures throughout. This gourmet kitchen was designed for beauty and functionality, with built-in Thermador appliances, generous antiqued cabinetry, quartz and marble finishes, walk-in pantry, and prep station. Retreat after entertaining to the private master wing, complete with sitting room, access to the patio, and spa-style bathroom with walk-in shower and heated marble floors. The backyard is an outdoor sanctuary with a large covered courtyard, waterfall features, and lush landscaping. Enjoy the convenience of dining, the movies, community amenities, and Greenbelt access all within a stone's throw from the front door. Thanks for watching. For a private viewing, please call Lacey Bishop Real Estate or stop by our open house this coming Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m.